The United States Justice Department just released a report saying that a lot of gang members got PPP money and used it for fraudulent activities to do things like purchase guns, drugs, and even one gang in Wisconsin put a hit out on a man that, I guess sounds like he was killed due to that hit. Now, this should be said, too, that inmates have also gotten in trouble because they got about $250 million in the unemployment insurance loans that went out during the COVID-19 pandemic. And so the United States government says that to date, they have charged about 3,000 American citizens with fraud due to the PPP loan scams and all of that. And that money came from about $1.2 trillion that the United States government allotted to help small businesses and other businesses stay afloat during the pandemic. And they said about 17% of those funds went to fraudulent activities. And that counts as the gangs, they said in Chicago specifically, that they got the money to buy the stuff they weren't supposed to buy, including cars and other toys and things like that. Now, they said that they were caught via text messaging because they would say stuff to each other like, did you get the money? Did you fill out the paperwork yet? And so they kind of put two and two together. Now, as I read stories like that, I'm like, well, that's unfortunate that the gangs got a hold of that money and they especially, use it to put hits out on people. But when I think about the United States government and them being mad about money being misappropriated, I'm like, well, are they being mad about the money being misappropriated that they give to other countries like Ukraine? The Biden administration has given a copious amount of billions of dollars to Ukraine to help them fight the war on Russia. But are they mad about that? Or are they just mad that United States citizens found a way to use that money? And it wasn't just gang members or black people or poor people. It was people from all walks of life. People who didn't have no business trying to get no PPP loan. But yet they're sticking it to the American citizen, but they're continuously helping everybody else with Americans' money, right? So I don't know. I just thought that was rather peculiar when you compare the two. So anyway, y'all tell me what you think of that. And for more insightful commentary, please subscribe to this channel and my channel, The Demetra Kaye Show, here on YouTube. Peace.